Okay, welcome to the Jeff Outdoors Kitchen. I'm about to make some eggs in my stainless steel pan. But what I wanted to kind of share with you real quick is what you should be making at home, and that is this. And it is called ghee. So essentially, what I did was I took 2 pounds of butter and put it into a pan in the oven for about 2 hours at 250 degrees. And in that process, the milk solids fall to the bottom, and you skim off the top what ultimately is just a pure butter oil without the milk solids. And it has a higher smoking point, and it's not going to brown and oxidize when you go to cook your eggs or whatever it is you're cooking, and it's a lot better for you. And it's a lot better than, I don't use vegetable oils ever. So I try to keep a bunch of ghee on hand. This stuff is shelf stable too. So this can sit out on your counter for 6 months and not go bad. If you keep it in the fridge, it'll last for a year. But I've just been keeping this out. As you can see, I made it on September 25th. And we use it whenever we cook. It's really easy to make, and it's worth your while if you want to concentrate on healthy things in your diet. So get out there and make some ghee. It's as easy as can be. Thank you for tuning in to Jeff Outdoors in the Kitchen. Giddy up.